right, now we're going to get our piece out of the pickle, and we're going to give it a pretty good inspection. Let's see here. Shaking it off, rinsing it. Alrighty, so let's see. I can see where parts of this had some solder flow and some that it did not. So it looks pretty good there. We need to flow here, here, and here. It's got a little bit. So let me dry it off and I'll mark it with my ink pen so I can see where to try to make sure that also you can see from looking underneath. Can you see that silver where it pulled through? We wanted that silver all the way through. So here's a gap right there that goes to here. So I definitely need it here. I'm hoping you can see that where there's not a silver line, where it did not go all the way underneath. And then there's a place right here where it just has a smidge in place that it didn't go all the way across, I think. Let me get, no it did. So really it looks like the only place I'm concerned with is right over here, from here to here. Okay then, and maybe just a smidgen right here. So this color is not gonna work, not gonna be helpful. Let me get a different one that we can all see. That would be nice, right? And I'm trying to hurry, which always makes me make mistakes. I don't know, maybe it's over there. Maybe the green will work for us. So we want it all the way there to there, and I think it's from here to here that we need it. Yep, that is. Okay. So we're gonna put some more flux on there in those areas. So flux, flux, flux. And honestly, I think I've got enough silver to pull it through. Enough on here, but I need to get a pair of pliers to see about mashing that. Mesh, 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 mesh. It'd be nice if I could find the pliers I want. I wouldn't be in such a hurry if my phone had more storage in it. I just don't want it to cut us off. So these are flat parallel pliers and they are awesome. Totally suggest anybody who's working with metal like this to get you some. Because we definitely need that to be touching. That's how we get that to flow. Okay, here we go. Okay then, it's not exactly what I was hoping for, but it'll work. Why are you being so difficult and not dropping when I need you to drop? Fine, be that way. Okay. That baby's hot now. Alright. turn off the torch already. Woohoo! Sorry if my head was in the way. We'll see. Okay. Ta-da! Now everything over here is extremely, extremely hot.